Hi, I'm Tina. Welcome back, or welcome if this is the first time that you are here. Honestly, I don't usually buy like stickers or washi or any of that on Amazon. I usually go to the craft stores for that, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to take a look, and I found some things, staple items, I feel like, and then like a little bit of a novelty thing. What I wanted was some just like pattern, grid, basic solid color, almost washi tape. That way I could have that to go ahead and complement anything that has more of a pattern or a floral or anything like that. So I found this right here, and there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 14 of these here. They are wrapped in this cellophane. Okay, so we've got the plastic here. And all right, good. Okay. I was hoping that it was just going to be like one plastic around like each grouping, and that's exactly how they are. So I like these. These are exactly what I was looking for. Something with a tiny little bit of pattern on it, but mostly solid. And I think that this is great to go with anything that is pattern. So I'm really happy I got these. So I'm going to put that one in there, and then I'm going to take this out too, so that way it'll be easier for me to use. I don't know if I have some repeats in here. Let's see. Let's take a look now that I got rid of that. Okay, so I have a real light pink, a light blue, this like real light kind of neutral color here. This is a black and white. Oh, this has got a green. I see it. So this almost looks like it's another black and white, but it actually, those stripes are green. And these are brown. And this, I believe, is black. Then I've got a navy. I've got a lavender. This one is like a very like neutral peachy color, another neutral tan, gray, black, green, and then another nice like neutral brown coloring. All right, so I like these. These are good. I think that this will work nicely for exactly what I was looking for. And then I did get this like unique washi. It's kind of like a novelty washi. I'm calling it that because it's very specific. I really wanted something that would go with Lunar New Year, because I didn't really have anything in red. I really wanted something in red. So that's what I got here. Now this one is also wrapped in one wrapping. Yes, that's good. These are much skinnier though. There's not much on here. And I did read that in the review. Somebody commented about that, but I thought, oh, well, give it a try, because I just wanted to do a few journaling pages, but it's really pretty. Oh, I like that. Very, very pretty. So I don't really want to swatch this out because, like I said, I don't have a whole lot of it to really work with. And you could see it's not very much. And I know that they put like the quantity on there, and I knew what I was getting. Let's put it that way. So I do want to just point that out to you though, so that way if you are interested in picking this up, you kind of have a heads up as far as like that goes. So there are 5 of them. These are really pretty. Let's see here. But again, a lot of pattern. Ooh, that one's got like a really pretty, well, they all have like a foil in there, but that one's got a lot of foil. I like it. Foil doesn't necessarily photograph or film very nicely, but it always looks so pretty in my like notebook, my journal. These are like a couple of skinny washies here. Let's just show these to you. And very pretty. It's got like another foil on there. It's like a little, like almost like a little starburst foil. And then this one is like another skinny, their little skinny guy here. I can't find, I'm probably going the wrong way. Okay, here it is. And it's definitely like a coppery foil, but very, very pretty. Okay, and you could see the difference. Look how much is on these in comparison to like this this like specialty one. So I do want to create some memory pages for a Lunar New Year. My husband and I went and we celebrated. It was so nice. This is called Red Gold Washi Tape. Now, I am a Amazon affiliate. I have affiliate links. So these items, I will go ahead and link them down below. If you do see something here that you want to pick up, greatly appreciate if you use those links. And I would get a little commission from that. All right, so the next thing I got here is this pack of paper. There's 60 sheets in here, and the sizing is 4.9 inch by 6.9 inch. So I wanted to get some like decorative papers. I like the way that they package these. These are really cute. I have not opened them up other than just to like look at each package here. So they are all wrapped the same. Let's go ahead and start with one here. Really excited to see these papers. I haven't like opened the papers themselves up. Let's see. So this has got like a band on here. It says here, it's hard to read, but it does say Foggy City Flower. I can't see what that says. Now, does this like slide out? I don't know if I want to take them out of here because they are really nicely like organized in here, but we've got some really pretty patterns. I'm just afraid if I take this off, it's going to be really, oh, there we go. This is how you do it. Okay, so give it a little bit. And then I could probably put it on pretty easily after that. Okay, good. All right, I wanted to figure out a way to take this out of here to show these two. So I thought that these would be really pretty to put like in my dot grid journal, my creative journal, and then the back is plain. Oh, that's pretty. Got green in here. So there's a lot of pages to look through. So I just want to look through these really quickly. I haven't seen any of these. This is nice. It's got a lined little section there. So for journaling, if you want to have lines in there. Yeah, I like these. These are really different. There's a lot of them. So let's kind of go through these a little bit quicker than I did that first one. And then I think I could get this back in just by kind of doing the same thing. Let's see if this works. Look at that. So if you are curious, whoops, except you don't want to bend the paper the way that I just did. So something to think about if you, let's see. All right. Sorry, I'm just kind of trying to figure this out for myself, and then I could share it with you. Okay, so yeah, it does work. You just have to be a little bit careful with it. So, okay, let me open these up and then let's look through each pack. Okay, so I have all of the packs unwrapped. So you get 6 packs. There's 10 each. This one's called Palace Tea Party. So there's going to be 10 pages in here. Oh, I love this because I love the pink. Oh, that's so pretty with the stripe. And I'm loving like the little scalloped edges. I wanted something like that. This is so pretty. I like that with the lines. It's really nice for journaling. This is so pretty. I love these papers. This will be so much fun to have something creative, a little bit different items to put into my creative journal. Okay, I am not going to put the bands on each one of these because that's going to take forever. Oh, I like these colors. What's this one called? Mysterious, looks like astrology. These are a little bit hard to read the way that they have the fonts on here. Oh, that's so pretty. Loving the florals, the colors. Oh, very, very, very pretty. They had like different ones to choose from, and I picked this one. And when you are looking at these, if you do decide to do a little bit of shopping like I did on Amazon, please make sure that you are mindful and read the details on them and look at the sizes. This to me looks like it should go that way, right? I don't know. Oh yeah, that way. So pretty. Okay, so this one's got like some blues and lavenders, grays in there. This has got a lot of neutrals. So this one's called Yellowed Coffee. Love it. Like that. Looks just like coffee stains. Very pretty. And then I can do like different things with these papers. I can like tear them or, you know, cut them or put them in there in different ways. I don't have to necessarily go like this. I could go this way. You could create like little open pages for, you know, to like open up. These are really pretty. I think I like this set to go with this washi. I think that would be really pretty to put together like that. And just a couple more. So when you do look at these, the description on Amazon, they don't have like a detailed flip through or pictures. I don't think I saw that for these. So it's kind of nice to go through them and really see everything in here. This one's called Handwritten Letters. Ooh, pretty. I love all of like the little journaling things on here. This is so cute. And I'm loving all of the scallop detail on there. It's so pretty. Very, very pretty. Ooh, I love it. Let's see here. Yes. I love how this almost looks like a texture on here, the way that it's printed. Very, very cool. All right, like that. All right, and then the last one in this is called Romantic something or other. I don't know. I can't make it out. Let's see if I take it off of here. Romantics. I'm sorry. I cannot. I cannot make it out. And then, of course, it's not in English on the back. So that is not going to help me at all. But look at how pretty that is. Love that. And look at, you get like a different color on this side. So you've got the blue up here and then like more of a pink. Pretty. Oh, I like these. Very, very pretty. Got like lavender or lilac here. Butterfly. That's pretty. Super, super cute. All right, so that is everything here. Why does this one seem a little bit light? Maybe that's just me. No, there's 10 in here. I just, for some reason, it felt like it was a little bit less. Yeah, these bands go on pretty easily, actually. So I just wanted to go over that again with you. So you just kind of fold them like this, you know, kind of like a, not all the way, but kind of like a taco, I guess. And you just want to be careful when you put the band back on because you don't want to like get that, you don't want to bend your scalloped edges. So just, that's what happened to me on the first one. I was like bending the scalloped edges. The second one worked a lot easier, but this one is kind of, now that I go to show you, it's giving me a little bit of grief, but here, I think I just kind of like the bands, or you could just keep the plastic baggie that it came in. That's another way to keep your stuff, you know, organized. But I kind of like the bands. I just like the way that that looks. So I think it matters on the scallop too. Some of them might be a little bit easier to work with. Yeah, that one's a little easier. Okay, so I got my packages of the paper. I got my just kind of simple washi grid. And then I got this really cute novelty one for when I do my Lunar New Year spread. So my little Amazon stash, I really like what I picked up. And if you do decide that you want to pick up any of this, they were 3 pieces. So this came as 1 piece, this was another piece, and then this was a 3rd piece. I will go ahead and put those links down below. So if you see something here that you like and you like to pick them up, again, I greatly appreciate if you do use my Amazon affiliate link. And thank you so much to those of you that have already used my affiliate links, whether it's from Amazon or from any of the other brands that I have affiliates for. Greatly appreciate your help with that. And if you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And that way you'll be sure to not miss any of my content. I'm going to be doing something really fun with this. I think it's going to come out really pretty. So excited to be working on that. And I'm probably going to bring in some of these other elements that I have here that I shared with you today. And drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you have picked up any journaling supplies other than like planner tools. I get all of my planner tools actually from Amazon, and I do have all of those linked down below as well. But I don't usually pick up a lot of like the paper or the washi or stickers or anything like that from Amazon. But I'd love to know if you have your experience and your recommendations. Because I love to learn from you as well. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. If you watched this all the way through till the end, leave me a paper emoji. I think there's probably like note paper emojis out there. So drop that in the comments below if you watch this all the way through. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.